So this is in my mould with a sand and clay mixture, and I've just poured the aluminium frame. Just machining down the back of the bezel. So that's the back of the bezel, just roughly milled to a plane, and then I'll flip this over and I'll machine a bit on that side on the flats, and then I'll get to work with a hand file and grinder and grind the edges. I've kept the temporary lugs on for the time being so that I can bolt it down and machine the rest of it. So this is flipped over, mounted on another board for milling, and I've had a bit of a whittle at this, so I'll carry on doing that till I get the shape I want, and then we'll start polishing. And this is it in transition, just trial position. It needs cleaning up a bit more, and it needs polishing and varnishing, but that's a general idea.